Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. And although we're at driving school, we do talk about other relevant issues. And today, on a sad note, we've got about 100,000 people that have now passed away in UK. We're just gonna go through what Boris Johnson has said today in his press conference, and let's just see if there's anything that affects us, even though we're already in lockdown. We already know the rules of the lockdown, but on a sad note, 100,000 people have passed away. So if you read all the papers, all the sites, it's all about this one big figure, which is a 100,000 death toll in UK. It's a really sad situation to be in, and I'll be making a few videos about the mental impact it has had, this pandemic, on us. Unfortunately, a lot of people have passed away. Let's see what Boris Johnson has said. The Prime Minister, let me find a few statements. So here you go. He said, we truly did everything that we could to minimize suffering and loss of life in this country, but admitted that lessons will be learned, warning that we must never become numb to these numbers. Chris Sweetie said, quite a lot of deaths. So it's more about, the government reiterating how sad that they are that this many people have passed away. If you go to BBC's website or even the Sky's website, let me just find it up here somewhere, you can see people's experiences with the COVID pandemic and how they've dealt with the passing away of someone close to them. In March 2020, we were told that it would be a good outcome of the pandemic if deaths in the UK were kept as low as 20,000. Now it's reached up to 100,000 over a year, almost a year on, 100,000. What did we learn from today's press conference? Let's see what they're saying here in the summary. Here's what they told us. Over the years since the start of the pandemic, 250,000 people have been treated by the NHS. We will see more days with high death tolls in the coming weeks as the infection rate remains high. So this is quite a big statement here. Make sure you guys still stay safe, stay indoors, follow the protocols of the lockdown rules. Over time, medical staff may be better able to treat the virus, but for now, the infection rate will drive the death rate. So, unfortunately, guys, it's saying in the next few weeks to come, we're still going to be seeing and experiencing a lot of people passing away. The new UK variant of the virus has changed the equation in terms of balancing case rates and lifting restriction. And there was a promise to learn the lessons of this pandemic. So, anyway, going back to how it's going to affect us for the next couple of weeks, definitely we're still going to be in lockdown, and it doesn't seem like the restrictions are going to ease off anytime soon. With the new variant being a bit more prominent now, it seems as if lockdown may be extended. So I would say, if you're talking about in terms of driving lessons and driving perspective, as an instructor, I can fairly confidently say that it doesn't look like for the next few weeks we're going to be taking any driving tests or driving lessons. Here's Mr. Boris Johnson himself. In terms of health safety, guys, make sure you stay safe, you follow the protocols of the lockdown. And as I said, we're going to be making quite a few videos of how lockdown is affecting us, because I know you guys want to watch driving lessons videos, but people also want to know what they can learn from the lockdown experiences, how they can solve their problems in the lockdown. So do watch our videos. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe with FM Driving School.